Tower, Cessna 5114, uniform, ready to go runway 30.
Cessna 13 from Hotel runway 30, and I didn't get back to you. What was your flight following request?
Flight following to Santa Monica, please.
Whiteman Tower, Bonanza 861 Romeo X-ray, grounds 127, correct?
Stand by. No copy, ask give way to the Cessna there off your left, thank you.
Whiteman Tower, Police 16, Tiffany Reservoir, 1900, request to work here east side.
Police 16, roger, and cross extends airline, do have traffic on the upwind departing straight out Cessna.
Police 16, welcome.
Whiteman Tower, this is Cessna 294, 6 Sierra, New Hope path, go.
Right, 246 Sierra, Whiteman Tower, 3,300, correct?
That's correct, sir.
460, roger, make left traffic, runway 30, traffic heading to your left, Great Lakes, opposite direction, outbound.
We have the traffic and left traffic for 30 for 460.
Cat 451, runway 30, taxi V Alpha, and I think you said flight following. I'll get back with you right now.
990 Delta frequency change.
990 Delta frequency change approved.
See you later, have a good one. 990 Delta.
Just 93 uniform, runway 30, cleared to land.
93 uniform 30, clear to land.
Alright, holding short 12, what was the, it was Cessna 14 uniform, is that correct?
14 uniform, affirmative. And we have also reported the blue light for the taxiway ramp is broken here on the ground on my left side.
Okay, so down next to the approach N30, is the taxi light broken, correct?
Affirmative, 14 uniform.
00 Tango traffic, just head to your left, please, helicopter eastbound 2000 indicated.
Tower, Police 16, I have the northbound traffic is
26 Arch, thanks. Cessna 00 Tango, did you copy?
00, we have a helicopter in sight below and to the right.
Alright, Cessna 00 Tango, thank you. Dish traffic ahead to your left, Cessna inbound.
We have another target inside high and to the left. 2 targets.
Is 506 Delta standby. 460, traffic ahead to your left has you in sight, Cessna outbound. 460, I make left traffic for 30. You need to remain west of the center line. Please do not come in on the center line. I have aircraft departing out that direction.
Okay, we're moving over 46 Sierra.
Thank you.
And we're 3 miles.
Roger. It says 460, roger. It's left traffic for 30, not 12.
Right, left traffic 30.
It says 1-4 uniform. Did you want to go through Burbank for San Monica or through Van Nuys?
I go through the Van Nuys 14 uniform, thank you.
It says 1-4 uniform, roger. I'll just switch you off them off the deck. You just let them know you want to fly following down there.
That'll be nice, thank you.
The 16 Delta standby, number 2 on request for taxi. November 93 uniform, turn right, Charlie, taxi, park V Alpha, good day.
Taxi park in 93 uniform, good day.
This 1-4 uniform, extend your upwind, I'll call your left crosswind turn, runway 30 clear for takeoff.
Runway 30 clear for takeoff, extend upwind, 14 uniform, you call.
Cat 451, what was your destination?
Camarillo, KCMA.
Okay, Cat 451, roger. Did you want to go through Van Nuys?
We'd like to, no, we'll go straight out and then left turn once we're past your airspace.
Okay, Cat 451, roger. SoCal's 120.4, request flight following.